Hello everyone. Today I am here to talk about a very sensitive and important topic, that is overcoming a breakup. According to a study published in Research Journal of Social Psychology, 93% of the respondent, both male and female, have been rejected by people they loved. Now, these heartbreaks can be life altering, they can be very challenging, and they bring lot of emotions such as rage, anger, feeling of sadness, feeling of betrayal. They make you question your self esteem. कभी कभी आपको लगता है कि अब लाइफ पहले जैसी नहीं रहेगी, कभी आपको लगता है कि आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू ओवरकम over that person. It also brings feeling of rage. It also brings feeling of relief for some. Now, the important thing is to understand that how can we overcome these heartbreaks. There are 3 stages. First is awareness. Exploring your breakup journey to get more in-depth understanding. Ask yourself few questions. That what are the benefits of not moving forward, या फिर what are your apprehensions, या what are your fears, and cry it all if you want to. Then lean on to your support system. Those can be your friends जिनको आप काफ़ी टाइम से अवॉइड कर रहे हो, those can be your family members जिनको हम हमेशा for granted ले लेते हैं, या those can be therapist or a counselor if you don't want to talk to people you know. Second stage is design. That is, learn how to feel positive and develop a sense of mastery over those feelings. अब ये कैसे करें? सबसे पहले stop stalking your ex on social media. Get rid of those pics or gifts which remind you of that person. Sometimes just blocking that person and totally thinking about them all the time will not help. So what you need to do is you need to take charge of your life. That is our third stage, that is action. Take care of yourself, take charge of your life. Revisit a old hobby which you might have left in between, or you are not interested, you were not interested in doing. So try focusing on yourself and try finding out ways how can I improve myself. I know it is very easy for me to sit on a chair and give you these stages, and it is very difficult for a person who goes through these things. But trust me, there is nothing in this world which we cannot overcome if we have the will to do it. So in the end, I will just say, focus one day at a time. There is no delete button to emotions, and you will overcome it.